Hello viewers, today we are proceeding with the unboxing of Bluedio BS-3 Camel portable Bluetooth speaker. This is the upgraded version of BS-2, which is also a portable version, but it is the bigger one, so we will not call it the mini, but we can call it portable. And it is supposed to have two 5-watt speakers. Let's proceed with the unboxing. Here we can see this is Bluedio, and we have got the QR code for different social networks, and there is the seal which is saying if the seal is broken, check content before acceptance. And this is the Bluedio branded seal. It's not a regular transparent tape, it's their own branded tape for the security check. To open the tape is not an interesting task, but this is a part of the packing and the protection. Okay, before I proceed with the taking the contents off, just for a quick shot, this one is about 19 centimeter or 7.5 inches, and this one is almost 11 inches, and it gives us 20.8 centimeter approximately. So it is a quite big one as compared to the mini called products. Okay, here we have the bubble safe wrap, and then inside it we have got this retail packing, and you can see here the specifications mentioned. Okay, let's just remove this plastic. Okay, so here it is for you. Now hopefully it is clear without the reflection of the plastic wrapping. And this is the back side, which is a lot of detail. Don't worry if you cannot read, I will be posting the picture of these. And on the top it has got a fancy holder. Okay, so let's open it out. Okay, this paper branding is very tight to the size, so instead of pulling, it's better to just push the device, the boxing outside of the cover. Okay, this is probably the catalogs, and this is the other stuff. We will just come to it. Okay, nothing inside. And here we have the because it is just empty. Okay, here it is, our shiny silver color Bluedio BS-3 Camel Bludio portable speaker. You can see the two speakers available inside. They are quite clear even from the external casing, and the same you can see. So it has got the speaker on the both sides, and based on its design and specification, it is normally being compared with the Boss models. Although the price of Bluedio is far less than the Boss, so even if the quality is slightly less than the Boss, still it will be justifiable. Okay, inside this box we have got this aux cable. Okay, and here is the USB cable, and this one is supposed to be the catalogs. Yes. Okay, let's jump to the the pairing of the device with my mobile. I am using OnePlus One. Okay, before we okay, where is the power button? Let me make it my side, and I hope this is the correct sequence. I guess I missed it. It has to be supposed to be holding.
Power off.
No.
Power on. Pairing.
Yes. It means you have to hold the power button until you hear the pairing sound. It is appearing in the list as BS-3.
Slot connected.
Okay. You can see the first option is BS-3 and it is showing as connected. Let me put these stuff aside. Okay, now we give it a shot. I have not modified the default setting for the sound. I'm not sure this is the maximum one or the minimum one, but we can give it a try. And also it has got the 3D mode.
اللهم إني أسألك أن تجعل فيما
Probably I have hold the plus button, so it changed the track. Let's try something from the album. I don't have much collection for the music or other stuff, but this is one that I have.
हम गरीबों के दिल भी अरे हरम ताजदारे हरम ओ निगाहे करम ताजदारे हरम ओ निगाहे करम हम गरीबों के दिल भी संवर जाएंगे.
Okay, this is the one of the poetic verses, you can say, from the Sufi poets, and I have tried with equalizer on and off, and I can feel the bass of the speaker up to this distance. Let's play again from somewhere in the middle.
के हस्ती बिखर जाएंगे
Okay, I have reduced the volume and gradually I'm going to increase.
ताजदारे हरम ताजदारे हरम मैं कशो मदीने चले मदीने चले मदीने चले मदीने चले मैं कशो मदीने
Okay, this was the 3D function that I turned on and off. I clearly note the difference. I hope you will also be able, because I am recording with the Sony camcorder and it is 5.1 and this device is 4.1. So I hope you can feel the difference. Let's play from some other place.
वो नजर जितने काली है सब जाम भर जाएंगे ताजदार
Okay, this is volume reduced. Now I'm trying to increase again. So probably this is the maximum volume. Before closing, let's have some other testing shots for some other kind of music. Since I don't have much music, I will be playing the ringtones. Yeah, this sounds a little bit funny, but this is just for testing. Okay, let's this one. In this mode, the bass is very, very noticeable. In the comments before purchasing on Amazon or eBay, I'm not exactly sure, there was feedback from one user and he was saying that if you're a bass guy, this is not of much of your taste. But this is the table that I am placing the device is a wooden table and it's quite heavy. I can feel the vibration on the surface of this table very clearly. So I hope this is much more than its price. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.